Dad and daughter are gonna break my new tent.
I'm in the vlog. So usually I always make the tent, but they're trying to be like me.
Everyone's trying to be like you because you're so cool.
So cool, guys. Next 3 days with Antima, my life is amazing.
Ali, laga pal laga. मलाई थाहा छैन कसरी हाल्ने हाल्ने सब व्यस्त छ है अहिले सबजना व्यस्तमा छ नुरा के पाक्दैछ ए बाउ छोरी त पाल पाक्दैछ
Guys, wait, how do you flip it? We took over Antima's vlog because she's hard at work. Look at her with this tent thing. Oh my God, who's here? Who's here? Who's behind me? Sean, say hi. Himu Adhikari.
You lost your teeth? How many?
All of them. Hi. Okay, guys, back to Antima hard at work. Look at her putting her porch up. She's putting her porch up, guys. Here's Sinladi. She's done. And then I actually don't know who the other ones are. Bye, guys. Antima's blaming the tent for not having something. Do we think it's the tent's fault or her fault?
It's the tent's fault.
Her fault. Okay, so this is them struggling on their tent. How's it going, Lucky?
I have no clue what's happening, but something is happening.
So basically what they're saying is they suck at doing tents and they should have had me and Himu do it instead. Yeah, Sundanti hoisincha आफ्नो आँखालाई दुगाएर प्याज काट्दै होइसिन्छ अब एकछिनमा रोइसिन्छ Senadi had samosa. She's sneaking into samosa. So now we're gonna go play some volleyball. Oh, wait. Yeah, I saw. So good.
What?
When you speak over there, it's here at times. Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Maybe I was just like really loud.
No. Wait, do it again.
Do what? I'm talking in the mic right now. Like it's recording.
Wait, what happened?
Y'all are crazy.
It says Alu Kafi the house. Yeah.
हाम्रो porch पनि done हुन लाग्यो. I was telling the vlog how the porch is almost done.
She did all that.
Exactly. Crop out these two working.
No, literally, side characters. She's the main character.
But when it's raining, me and Nadushi are gonna be holding hands under our porch.
2 chairs right there.
2 chairs right there. Exactly. And then all the losers are gonna be looking from the windows of their porch.
They're gonna be jealous of us.
Right now we have samosa chaat. It looks very appetizing. Sorry, this isn't presentable. Where's my kurstani? Okay. Oh, so the water. It looks so cool. Yeah, it's so aesthetically pleasing. It looks like a fast food restaurant, like a factory.
They are moving really quickly. They literally have a factory going. But yeah, and then there's the background workers of the factory.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes.
And then this
And then
is the product.
here is the people that will enjoy their factory.
Yes.
Sanadi. It's only 9:45.
It needs to be at least midnight.
Yeah. Aina beautiful देखेछ. खै ट्राई गर्नु त.
देखेसम्म को हो देखे पछि आया हो सम्झाइयो यो मन नबिर्से तिमीलाई नपाए तिमीलाई बिना अर्क दिलमा.
Wait, zoom in. How do you zoom in?
Here.
Yeah, on your camera.
To who?
I don't know, just any one of them.
Yeah.
I'm burning my foot because I got bit by mosquitoes.
Oh Lord.
Um,
Everyone is asleep in their tents. And then Aishma and Dita went to go help Imlanti out, but the rest of us
we're right here.
are here getting yelled at. It is currently, I don't have my watch on, but
It's 1:48. There's proof.
1:48. And our fire is kind of dead now.
We need Aishma to come back. We sing flowers gleam and glow to it and it comes back.
Yeah, but we're waiting for our fire master to come back. But this is probably gonna be the final clip for today's vlog.
Day 1, guys.
Day 1
Day 1's
wrap.
over. Day 2 starting.
Literally like 3-4 hours. Yeah. Well,
Guys, mosquitoes are not it. I'm literally itching like from left to right. It sucks so bad. Literally, like I have like 4 on my feet. I have one on my
that's
palm,
you gotta
bro.
do a sock, long pant,
I had
tucked
bug
in
spray everywhere, and
situation.
my foot was the one thing that I like rinsed earlier, so now it's all over.
Okay. Well, we will catch the vlog tomorrow. It's a wrap on day 1.
See you in Good Morning Sunshine.
Look, guys, happy. Bleep us sa bana.
Literally
See
labor
the-
work.
we're-
Labor work.
We're going around picking up all the water bottles and putting the water in the fire pit because we're too. You know why? Because we're too lazy to pick that up and put the water in there.
Wait, that water's for this?
Yes. But we're all going around the entire park.
They're gonna be like, why didn't you use this water? I was like, we clean.
Look at all this, y'all. We are such clean up queens.
Body vibes.
Oh, body vibes.
Body vibes.
Body in question.
Lanya ba?
Susu ka na.
Kay London.
No, that's not. That's Gatorade.
But is it to the towns and if it's someone's? Okay, we're gonna go pee and then good morning sunshine tomorrow.
Good morning, sunshine.
To shine. You know, I was literally waiting for you to wake up. I was so scared you're gonna wake up before me. Excuse me. I was so scared you're gonna wake up before me. And I was making sure that you don't wake up, so I got here at 7 a.m. The moment I heard noises, I was like, oh no, she's up. Lord, she got me back then. Ew, that was such a close-up of my face. Rise and shine, sunshine. What? I'm literally the wake-up call to everyone.
Good morning, Captain.
7:28. I've been up since 6 a.m. because they've all been up since 6 a.m.
From the morning, they've been like, morning.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm like, you don't have to say it every time. Every single person.
Every time someone gets out the tent, it's like, good morning. Good morning.
They're like, morning clock.
Nah. I'm in the uchi na bed at 6 a.m.
This is forceful. I don't like this. I'm going to sleep.
Wait, Durga, we gotta go do good morning, Durga.
Oh my god, thank God, me and him will let's go to sleep. Not again.
Legit, they hate us out there because we didn't let anyone sleep last night.
They literally all just said that they're not letting you sleep now.
Why are you guys here?
Not only did we not sleep, it's only. Oh my god, is it raining? Oh no. They just fried something. Why are you showering out here? Guys, he showers with dish soap. He showers with dish soap.
Were you guys the one who were up all night?
No.
Sleeping
Couldn't be
away?
me. Couldn't be me.
Get out of here.
They're like, it's a fucking earthquake. Hello. Yes. Good morning through. Oh, there's no.
To come see your house. You said you would give us a house tour this morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
Hello, we came to wake you up.
Oh, rise and shine.
You didn't even open the door.
Lucky, you're the one that slept the most. Wait, तपाईँको mattress कति माथि हो?
A single week.
Huh?
She didn't sleep a single week.
A single week.
A single week.
Wink, wink, wink. Oh yeah, she was chilling outside with us. She was chilling outside with us, है? हामी राति फायरमा बसेको है?
2 बजे राति.
Yeah. She was sitting out with us. त्यही त अनि सुते थिएन रे अझै.
I'll be outside. Wait, let me.
अँ त्यो कति माथि हो? Wait, the tent. अनि यहाँ त्यो माथि. खै के हो यो चिया? The power hub. बिस्तारै बिस्तारै. Good morning. No, हेर्नु सबभन्दा थोरै सुतेर नि मेरो भोइस सबभन्दा लाउड छ. हामी रातभरि बरल समातेर बसेको. हामी चाहिँ नि त्यो ठुलोमा पानी थियो है. अनि त्यो फाल्न झ्याउला र सानो पानीको बोतलहरू समातेर त्यहाँभित्र पानी हालेर फालेको बोतलहरू. सानो bottles. Chairs are just waiting for us to be sat on. Okay, wait, let's go get my stuff. Say good morning, vlog. Wait, where's Bishash?
Let's go see.
Oh my god, let's go wake him up. What's that? Yeah, door by door.
No, take Sienna. Sienna would love to do that.
Where is she?
Excuse me, how are we ready to go to the bathroom before you?
We're waking everyone up. Bishash isn't in there.
He's awake. He's awake. He said stop. Go. Wake him up.
Yeah, wake him up.
Bishash.
Wake up.
I don't want him to yell at me. He's already mad from last night. Huh?
But you have to do it nicely.
Emily, go knock on this tent. Oh, he's sleeping?
No, he's awake.
ए अर्को उसमा हुन्थ्यो कि यसो ए त्यहाँ त वर्क भएको छ.
Good morning.
Vlog.
Vlog.
It's breakfast time. Well, everyone else ate breakfast, but we're eating. Exactly, that's the spirit I need. Hey! Tomato cutter! त्यसरी घुमाउने हो.
Try go.
क्यामेरा रेडी गरेर ठिकै हुन्छ दिदी.
ल दिपक
1, 2, first time. Jungle Devi. Jungle Devi. Wow, Jerry is the sale. First time they get मिलाउन यस्तो हल्ला न. कस्तो राम्रो बनाएको जेरी यसो कसरी बनाउन जान्दैन. दीपकले मात्र
हो तपाईलाई गिफ्ट. तपाईलाई गिफ्ट हो. यो खोलेर दुईटा काम नगर्ने.
यत्रो मान्छे काम नगरेर बसिरहेको थियो. खरासन परि खान्नेला भनेर होला है. अन्तिममा हेर कस्तो राम्रो
वाउ.
बनाउने चाहिँ म हो.
Yes.
पछि त यतिजना भएपछि त
ए भइहाल्यो.
वाउ.
पाकेन तल. It looks raw. Raw हैन त्यो.
होइन.
ए त्यहाँ छ. यहाँ त नि के हो? खोल्नु दुईटा. के हो यो अचार? ए
Aloo gravy.
अल्छी हजुर त्यही त मैले भन्न लाग्थेँ तर म त अब त्यहाँ काम गरेको थिएँ त्यसरी मैले भनेर ल ल तपाईँको छाता खाएँ छाता भएन सबको छाता
छैन छाताहरू छैन
छाता
हिन्दू हाल्यो
बल्ल काम गर्यो बल्ल काम गर्यो सबजना भाग्दै
It's all broken.
Oh no, Bishesh has the pretty one. Ooh. This is second breakfast. La आओ आओ
मेरो सिट चोरेर
दिताले
Sorry.
कस्तो मिठो देखेछ पुरा सलान्चोको टेस्ट आछ
ओ
Look at that.
cilantro हालेको छैन कस्तो टेस्ट आयो Wow, this is literally burning my feet. How are you guys holding it? That's the top. Oh, that's kind of smart, huh?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, अर्जुनको कति डरलाग्ने गरेर काटेको तपाईँ
ल म भाडा ठिक छैन हेर त यो यस्तो भाडा यस्तो हानि
ओए हात काट्छ अर्जुनको
यो प्रोफेसनल हो यो
Oh my gosh, हात काट्ला है तपाईँहरू
त्यो बद्री भाडा ल्याउनु न म यहाँ देखाइदिन्छु कस्तो ल यहाँ यसरी काटे
ल हेरौँ
ल
है
ल्याउनु दे त ल हेर ल्याउ छोरी ल्याउ ए के अरे अन्तिममा ल ल्याउ
यो पनि दिपाको के अन्त चक्कु पनि छ ल वाउ
गुड करीमा चाहिँ यो टोमेटो पर 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 भुट्ने त्यसपछि प्याजलाई पनि पर 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 भुटेपछि अनि यसलाई चाहिँ खसीको मासु हालेर रातो हुने गरी पकाएर अनि रातो खुर्सानी पनि हालेर मजाले भुटेर खाएपछि खसीको मासु र भात स्याम कि स्याम खानुपर्छ
वाउ गन्दै
मलाई हात हात बनाएर छोडाउन नि
खतरै भयो त मान्छे आज
प्याज देखाउनु यस्तो फास्ट कसले गर्छ हेर्नु भएको छैन कि
हेर्नु वाउ
ल अहिले यस्तो फास्ट गरेर ससुरा कम्पिटिसन ज्वाइँको त त्यो लागि
Rane, are you doing all the work? Tell us what the vibes are here.
The vibes, we're making goat meat, kasi. This is the prep phase right now. They're just piecing it because like it has like ice in it, right? So you gotta pull some of it out because you put it in the freezer for a bit.
But there's no freezer out in the park.
Or the ice.
You know, she stopped.
You should just be quiet.
The disappointment.
It shows the artistic side of you.
What happened?
The artistic.
Wait, why is Bashesh? Why you upset?
What is it?
You know what that means?
What?
She called herself.
Why are you upset?
You know what that means?
Because I can't deal with artistic people.
Let me see.
Hey, cancel. I'm gonna cancel myself.
Do you think Intima gets enough views for you to get canceled by the real world?
I already canceled myself.
No.
I canceled myself before people can cancel me.
Now I have 92 subscribers, so technically I'm like really famous. The whole world.
I already can't.
All Nepalis.
92. Let's see. Reveal. Cutie patootie.
I look cute.
Ew.
No, cut that.
Rotan, be careful.
No, literally everyone's on the tower. Oh. Lily, but you can say groundies. I thought it was gravel. Oh, wow, groundies.
Yeah, you can say whatever. Groundies.
Hey, jump onto the slide.
Keep saying groundies. Groundies.
We should like limit the grounding.
How do you feel after groundies?
Tired, sweaty, gross.
This camera?
0-30.
We're all smart. We don't have to change multiple times.
Once is enough for us.
She said after each meal.
Wait.
La. Monachi tum tum da 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 da. Gumdeota. Low. Yeah.
That was adrenaline rushing.
Can you take her on the roller coaster drive? She's ready.
He probably took his.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Because he has his long jump.
Yo, I'm itchy.
It's a double roller coaster.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's not gonna break.
Oh my god.
Her head is really big. That is possible.
Back, you.
One here. Chips did I know? Lenny? Chips. Oh, what's the food? Where's the egg white? Look at the.
I got you.
Yeah, you're gonna make it look aesthetically pleasing. I'll put that. Yep, put it on your plate.
धेरै नखाँदै धेरै नखाइदे बन्द राख भेजिटेरियनको धेरै राम्रो माछा पनि
That did not work. Well, keep coming. And we're at the pool. If you can't tell, break. If you couldn't tell the last 20 seconds. Come say hi, friend.
Oh,
say hi.
Go!
That was a sideway flip, but okay. Oh.
No, what is the dance? What's
The legs? Mermaid.
Let's do that.
Say hi.
अन्तिमा let's go अन्तिमा
Oh my god. Yeah, that sucks.
He just said it's a weak ass jump. What do you think about that?
It's a pretty weak ass jump.
I thought it was weak as well.
Wait, no.
3, 2, 1, go! Why are they gun clapping? He's losing. Andre's about to lose.
Oh. Who was it?
Go away, restart. Read it.
Lochin, you won.
No, I didn't. No,
You won, Lochin.
Someone's apparently too tan.
Uh-huh.
Someone dull in the tan.
Lisa, reenact what just happened 2 seconds ago.
I was climbing and then I went.
And she went out.
Someone didn't get the tea from last night.
Because someone fell asleep at like 10 p.m.
Today is just not going to go to sleep until we are on.
And then no one's gonna be up.
Who went to sleep at 10?
I didn't sleep at 10. I slept at midnight.
No way, dude.
Yeah.
No freaking way.
You know I was out at midnight. Really?
Yeah, I was out at midnight.
You were asleep. You were asleep at 9. You 9, her 10. The rest of us never. Yeah.
I was out till midnight, and then
Right? That's what I said.
you guys were screaming at 12:30. I remember.
But,
'cause I
Bishash, what
texted
were we
the time.
screaming about? What else did you hear, Bishash?
I just heard laughter.
What was the laughter like? Reenact it.
Nah, I don't want to.
Do it. Boring.
I think you were the loudest one.
Okay, it's okay. Cut. Let's redo this. Point elsewhere.
It was either you or Dishri.
You know what my mom said? My mom was like, all I could hear was your voice, Aishma's voice, and Adishi's voice.
Yeah, no, yeah, it was just you
How's
three.
it this morning? She's like, oh, this is the first time I've heard you laugh that, like last night. I was like,
So you can be happy?
Are you guys doing it again?
Yeah. Are you gonna join us?
I want to sleep.
No, please don't. Rude. Also, our group of people there are playing Marco Polo, and all we can hear is Marco Polo. Okay, vlog. हामी चाहिँ चटपट बनाउँदैछु यो अल्छी चाहिँ बल्ल आउँदैछ यस्तो स्विमिङ गरेछ हामी चाहिँ यस्तो काम मात्रै गर्नुपर्ने काम गरेर
हिजोले पुरै पर्पल लाग्थ्यो आज उसको फिट चाहिँ आज
देखेन खै
छ भोलि चाहिँ अब के हुने हो
सरप्राइज रिम बुलिरहेको हुन्छ ल तिमी नुहार हामी चाहिँ चटपट रेडी गर्छौँ तिमीलाई
के बनाउनु लाग्छ नि
हाई हामी त यस्तो वाटरमेलन कट गरे अनि
गफै गफ
अनि यस्तो
कोसँग बोलिरहेको थाहा छैन मलाई अन्तिमले भन्नु तर अन्तिममा कट अनियन्स
या त्यही त
स्पेसिफिकली
त्यही त हो ल मेरो
मैले उसलाई काम
बनाइदियो
बिचारा बसिराखेँ
त्यही त गाइस म यस्तो हार्ड वर्क गर्दैछु side eye from my Vishesh, aren't I doing such hard work? Oh, he's not even listening. You're too tired? Well, that's what happens, when you go run,
smile and then swim 10 laps
and then play go basketball.
And then play, what was the game? That was yesterday. What was the game that we played in the playground?
Oh, groundies.
Groundies.
Oh my gosh, you're Kuyiko. You're Kuyiko.
I know. Thal toro.
I think it's Kuyiko.
No, it's not.
It's more Kuyiko?
It's not Kuyiko. It's not Kuyiko, Kali. मलाई खाना घिन्लायो भने भन्नु
No, should I cut it or no? This player is good?
Yeah, that's okay.
अल्छी आयुषमा काम नगर अब वाटरमेलन खाँदैछ
अनि सदाले खाऊ
खाऊ भने खाऊ मेरो प्राणी खाऊ भने खाऊ जेलस भएको के काम गर्नु पर्यो यसलाई प्याज काट्नु काम गर्यो
आफू हिँडी हो म र दिदी सँगै नआएको
सँगै नआएको
हात समाउँदै
पाली पाली धारा अन गर्नु
For the chatpat.
Yeah. And we have a discussion that I put all the tomato
Like inside
the
things, gooey parts.
The gooey parts.
But I said we shouldn't because that will make it so salty.
I agree. Plus, this is like the bad parts of the tomato.
But there's so much shortcut.
Yeah, but like
This
look
is the
at
bad
how
part.
much tomato
This
there
is not gonna make it.
There's a lot of tomato. Wait, we'll show the vlog.
This is not gonna make it
There's
strong.
already a lot of tomatoes, so we really don't need more.
But they're making shortcut for 50 people though. So keep that in mind.
It's like nobody
That's
likes,
enough tomatoes, yeah.
nobody likes tomatoes.
Give me like 5 minutes. Let me like,
You need to decompress.
yeah.
Couldn't be me.
Don't you like a time to yourself? Buddy?
No, me decompressing is talking to people.
Oh, that's weird.
Like I can't sit alone.
Like, cause I'm a healthcare worker, Kali. I need my time off.
Like I like being around people. Like I like talking to people.
Yeah, not me. Could never.
But it's like, okay, my social battery drains when I'm with strangers. But if I know people, then it's like, it doesn't drain.
Yeah, we should do that all the time. You get louder and louder by the day ends.
By
You
night
start at 20 and then you go to 100 by 11 o'clock. Are you done?
What do you mean am I done?
Yeah, Amma. त्यो तालले काटेर त कहिले हुन्छ तेरो?
What are we talking about? Look at this.
Wait, I'm gonna come on that side.
I'll do that.
चक्कु ल्याइदिउ नि त मलाई.
दिदाले चाहिँ अहिलेसम्म काम गरेको छैन तर अब काम गर्न लाएर क्यामेराको अगाडि आउँछ रे के
होइन उता बसेर काम गरेर.
You want me to cut it?
What's wrong with that cutting?
You're kind of slow.
No, it's okay. Let her do her thing.
Dita, he looks up and he goes, "Do you want me to cut it?"
Why?
Literally.
It looks so good.
Guys, look at this. From where? From the store?
No,
Quick trip?
Kali. Keep up.
So I'm focused on cutting the onions right now.
The level of no multitasking you do is kind of scary. For a lady? For a woman? Are you a woman? Are you a man?
According to these standards, no. Mommy, hi. Hi.
Mom, यस्तो फोटो खिच्नु न काम गरेको.
Literally. Otherwise, I know it's gonna be like you guys just sat there and didn't do anything during camping. But guys, chatpat is being made. Bishesh has so much anxiety from me cutting the onions that he went to go wash his hands to cut the onions himself. But I think I'm really cutting really fast, right, Sanadi?
No, you're not. The way your talk is going, we can tell it's very slow.
Look, the pieces are so
Fine.
Yeah.
It's okay. We can, even when we cut fast, our pieces are still fine, bro.
No. It's about quality.
Not quantity.
Not quantity.
The quantity is always going to stay
I
the
think
same.
right now.
The quantity isn't going to change.
Shut up, Bishesh, shut up. Go back to listening to music. He got 5 minutes of alone time and now he's back to
done
bullying
with
me.
his me time.
No, literally.
It's so thin though. It's nice.
I call doing it.
Dita bichara fully insult पनि गर्न सक्दैन के
कसलाई?
तेरो
के भन्यो?
No, it is thin.
No, she's doing so slow, but it's low-key so thin.
It's so good.
She's like halfway. Half insult.
Yeah, half insult. She and her sister cannot say anything wrong about Antima.
So perfect, I
So
understand.
perfect.
Alright, come on, let me try.
Look at that, Bishesh, look.
I washed my hands. We're good.
Okay, let me put the onion
Kali,
in
the
there.
knife movement.
Okay, let's see your skills then. He's been talking all this smack about me.
You don't.
Now let's
This
see.
is not an outro. This is a.
Okay, let's see how fast you go.
Wait, give me a sec.
Oh, look, Sandy, he can't even do it. Okay. No, it's not.
Kali, I can tell. The talk is fast.
Nope, look at that.
It is fast. Let's time.
Okay, let's see. Cucumbers cutting. Potatoes almost done. Aishma's still showering. Update on Aishma.
Wait, how long has she been in there? She's been in there for
A while.
over a little bit.
No, it's not been a while.
It's not been a while.
It's been a
You
while.
guys are so bad.
Guys, time works differently in your head. Kali, we already dropped an aloo. Don't eat.
Lift it up.
40 seconds.
Show Praveen. Okay, 45 seconds, and then it's half of an onion, and then we'll record my time. Oh, Bishesh, looking a little dark there.
Ooh, almost 1 minute.
Oop.
Half an onion?
8, 9, 1 minute. Alright. 1 minute.
Oh, he's still going.
I'm done.
He was still going. You saw that, right?
Alright, like, I'll add like
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Yeah, add 10 seconds to that. Okay. When I get my first cut, that's when you start timing, okay?
Kali's gonna fix the onions so nicely.
So nice. Wait.
Yo, what did they make?
Wait, Antima,
Azure.
you could have done clips of this and you could have made a TikTok.
Oh,
3,
well, okay, wait. I need to focus now.
3,
Okay.
2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah,
Oh my god, that was like 1 cucumber. I think he's going faster. Yeah. 2 cucumbers.
Okay, to be fair, I didn't know he was timing me.
Okay, I have half an onion left for you. We can redo yours.
Yeah, let's redo it. You didn't know. So the 1 minute was fake.
Ah, there's a bee. I'm dying.
Oh, I already stinged. I got stinged.
Today?
Wait, where?
You okay?
Yeah, I would have tried.
Obviously. So would Antima.
And
Done.
46.
Abhishek!
Okay, I didn't know. Okay, let me
Okay, let's do it.
She had a smaller piece too.
Go.
Hey, someone stop my music.
We don't have to. Just don't.
I think the music is slowing down.
What kind of music is he listening to?
Japanese.
That makes sense.
No, mine so much more finer.
They don't need to be fine.
And like I said,
I'll finish right 1 second before you do.
Dummy.
No way.
I'm done.
43 seconds. 43 seconds.
I would like to point out.
Mine are fine. These are not
this
bad,
onion is
right?
smaller than
Wait,
my onion.
hold on. Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, look how big. You show them, Pravin. So the winner here is me.
Yeah, she wishes.
Oh, say I'm the winner. Me.
I'm the winner.
No, me.
Me, I'm the winner.
Antima's the winner.
Bisha.
Antima's the winner. Oh, let me wear gloves. Tell them what's happening.
We're making satpat.
Who's doing all the work?
Antima, right here. She's cutting whatever that is, dhania or kursani.
You gotta say it in English for it's cilantro.
You got Bishesh over here. He's putting the chow chow into the bag. Lochin, Anudita, they're all putting in the work.
Look at yours though. Why is that so big?
Selena Didi.
Satpat is all done.
Taster, serve now.
रिभ्यू चाहिँ के छ भन्दा यसमा चाहिँ अब 1 देखि 10 सम्म रिभ्यूमा म चाहिँ अब 9 दिन्छु
9 ल तपाईको यहाँ
तर म 10 दिन्न है म
लाइभ रिभ्यू
एकदम ठिक्क छ पर्फेक्ट छ ल पिरो अलिअलि आइरहेछ
1 देखि 10 सम्मको रिभ्यू कति दिनुहुन्छ
अमिलो पनि आइरहेछ ल म 10 मा 10 दियो
वाह कडा रिभ्यू out of 10 कस्तो छ ए 9 किन 10 छैन 10 पनि 10 छ ल त्यस्तो मेहनत गरेर बनाएको त्यही त नि है 9 बसिबसि 10 ल्याएको छ हैन त्यही त 10 म त खाएको छैन
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10
Straight, I'm not even trying to be like me. That's not even bad though.
फेरि बनाउँला नि त
What? कस्तो फेरि बनाउँला कस्तो छ अर्जुन अंकल
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 perfect where are you Lucky very
Huh?
it's not spicy right
No.
I don't know what he's eating.
no it's really not spicy I'll look here
Yeah, I'm done.
Look at him.
look at you crying wait come close let's show the tears let's see women on the tears
Is this the first time you cried?
yo back
Probably. No, actually, no, I for sure cried.
I'm dead well don't drink more soda if it's spicy dude
No, you just drink mine.
It actually helps. I have money.
say hi our friends in the back Vishesh ice cream we all were craving ice cream so what your ice cream you were literally carrying it were you not oh no Sandy was carrying it and we made a quick trip wait we made a quick trip to Quick Trip
Wow.
I need to do a cycle around.
मैले यति भाँडा माथि देखाउनु लाग्यो है
देखाओ लसाजी तपाईँ पनि क्या आफ्नो कुर्ती हो कि क्या It's raining, everyone's putting stuff away and you guys are just playing football.
Hold this.
It's low-key pouring now.
Yeah, it's fine. We don't need to do anything.
Literally.
No, let's actually
Look at us.
dance in the road.
Yeah? Let's see your best move.
It feels good.
Yeah. What's on your turn? Yeah. Your turn. Oh, your turn. Your best move.
Oh, you ruined it.
Yeah. Where?
That's real dedication right there.
I lost that drink. Priorities.
Alright, she's about to run. Run, faster, faster! बाबा मेरो पनि लुगा माथि ल्याउनु न
This is light rain.
What
that's Wait, this is what else. Wait, funny. Arsenal look like a hard worker.
तेलमा छानेको हैन पानी परिहाल्यो
जस्तो हार्ड वर्क गरिरहेको थियो आयुष्मान झन् पानी पर्यो अब फेरि काम गर्छ Low. Europe.
Europe.
Yeah. तपाईले मकै खाना आको
के खाना पाइछु मैले
खै देखाउनु यहाँ ल इन्दिरा आन्टी
बल्ल भयो दाइको ल
ल वाउ ल खै टेस्ट कस्तो छ मलाई एउटा
Alcoholic shaking my head.
Alcoholic.
They all try and be like
Alcoholic. Oi, Bali.
Pick and save shoppers get quality and down low prices.
La here
This way. Oh, hit some. Go in the circle.
I don't know how to dance.
Good, do something. Look at her.
Are we here?
Yeah, go back to it.
Wait, Lucky?
Oh, my bad.
Where's the light? Oi, oi.
हसीना दिलरुबा मिले तो दिलरुबा निसार हो गया जुबान जान मन हसीना दिलरुबा मिले तो दिलरुबा निसार हो गया
Who else is giving it? Lala Indraji, la la la. Oi, 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 oi.
जाने मन अरे हो
That was crazy, bro. Look at how long it is.
Like they just
Uncle carried it like he was carrying like an animal. Like
no, it literally looks like they just pulled it off of like a tree. Just pulled a branch off. That's crazy. That's good though. When we stay up till 3 a.m. again.
I can't do this. It's too hot.
Oh, who did that? Who did that?
Ah, it's fighting back. You're funny person.
Okay. Ooh.
I'm saying
Tasty.
I'm saying this.
Give it a rating.
right?
Like an 8.
Out of 10?
Yeah, it was really hard to cook.
Low-key, that's high.
Really?
Yeah. 8 out of 10?
I'm gonna say like 6, 7.
Oh, well. Wait, where's your chocolate? The marshmallow's still on the stick.
I probably opened this.
Chocolate deota aba?
Quite the. You took it. I need a palana baru.
Where's my stick go?
Cheers.
The chocolate has melted, so
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
I like Bugina. Oh yeah, hold it closer. Ooh. Looks like shit, but.
Is there more? She knows that shit, it's on fire.
Isika, it's on fire.
मरमर के जी लिए एक पल तो हमें जीने दो
What? Yeah. It's ginger juice. Yeah.
Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna go once again.
Good morning, last day of camping.
Woo! Everyone's so asleep. Last day. Keep it on the light. Home delivery service, Paniko.
Delivery service आयो
La Yota, please.
रस्ते माल सस्तै कसलाई दिने हो
Malay.
दिइहाल्छु नि 5 किलो कसलाई चाहिन्छ यहाँ
Thank you. Look at all the bug bites.
Who's the weird guy?
BJ. Okay. That
Remember?
insane.
Put, like,
Insane.
he asked her for like foot pics.
Oh.
B-roll.
Cut.
Oh my god, show the other one. Dude. This is why you wear socks while camping, dude.
No, dude. It's because of these
Says well, she's
slippers.
not wearing socks.
Because of these slippers.
How would slippers?
No, like these.
Bugs are attracted to your slippers.
So, anyone want to go camping, do not buy these slippers because bugs are attracted to these.
Maybe it's because I'm like, it's really tasty blood or something. Things like that.
No. Pakora time. के भन्दैछ
पकौडा मलाई त आउँदैन होला
Oh my gosh, कस्तो shape? हजुर YouTube मा मेरो नाम हाल्नुमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु न ल खै देखाउनु त YouTube मा ल
प्लास्टिक ब्याग कतिवटा फ्यामिली छ भनेर रेडी गर्दै
And that's a wrap.